Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can turn your private songs to public and publish them on Suno AI. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to suno.com. Then sign into your account. After you have signed into your account, you will see the profile over here. Now what you need to do is go to library. Then you can see some of your songs. So if you don't have any songs created, first of all, you can go to create and create a song for yourself. Then it will be saved and be headed to the library. So you can see the songs option over here. And then you can see some of the music you have created. Right now, all of these are public. But if you want to turn it down to private, you can do it. And if you want to publish it and want views to go up, you can see the public option over here right next to extend. So go ahead and click on public, and now your music will be going to public and people can actually listen to it and give a like to yourself. So you can see the public option over here right beside the song. Go ahead and click on it, and now your song has been turned public. I hope this video about how you can turn your private song to public and publish them on Suno AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.